comes with your stage. Now what is stage? Many of the people, when they listen the word stage, they fear. Oh my God, stage means what? अरे यार बहुत बेकार चीज है, भागो यहाँ से. Stage doesn't mean that you are going to be on that stage, physical stage. Stage means what? You now I'm on a stage and I'm talking to you, and you're the audience who are listening me. You're on a stage. I'm on a stage. Same case, if you are talking to someone and leading that process, at that time you're on a stage. We have different kinds of stages over here. Stage doesn't mean a real platform to deliver your thoughts in front of the thousands of people. It doesn't mean that it is a physical entity. Stage can be any stage. Facebook is your stage. Instagram is your stage. LinkedIn is your stage. Your online Zoom classes are your stage. What stage can be any, but you have to speak up. You are speaking over here, that base will become the stage. Remember this. So even two people could be your audience. If you're talking to two people and you're leading the conversation, means you're on a stage. You are on a stage and you can rock the stage now. So always remember, don't fear of stage. Stage can be any stage. LinkedIn stage, Facebook stage. Normally, physically, you are talking to someone, that is also a kind of stage. And you're speaking to someone. You might have seen many shy people are there in the society. They don't talk to anyone. वो किसी से बात ही नहीं करते. They actually not getting on the stage. वो actually stage पर चढ़ ही नहीं रहे. वो जहां पे बात करना स्टार्ट किया, स्टेज पर चले गया बंदा. वो he's on the stage. Remember this. So stage can be any physical stage or any virtual stage. Why should we go on a stage? Now my question is there to you. Why should we go on a stage? अब आप लोग भी सोच रहे होंगे यार पर मैं स्टेज पे जाऊं क्यों? मैं तो इंजीनियर हूं, मैं तो डॉक्टर हूं, मैं तो प्लम्बर हूं, मैं तो टीचर हूं, स्टेज पे क्यों जाऊं मैं? Going on a stage means what? Become a leader. Now I have one more question to all of you. Is there anyone who wants to be an employee for whole life, or is there anyone who wants to be a leader for whole life? Definitely people will choose the second one, and that's what the leader. Everyone wants to become the leader, and always remember, my dear friends, if you want to become a leader, you have to lead. Leader, the word leader comes from lead. And if you can lead, if you know how to lead, and if you have the ability to lead, means you can become a leader. And if you are becoming leader, means you are generally getting on a stage. आप literally stage पर चढ़ रहे हैं, and you can win the battle. आप battle जीत सकते हैं easily. This is called public speaking and stage daring. आप लोगों को करना कुछ नहीं है. I was a very shy kid in my childhood. मैं बहुत ही shy kid था. I never used to talk to people. Even now, I don't have friends. मेरे दोस्त वगैरह नहीं है. But if you see, I have got the great ability to speak on a stage. I do remember my first incident in Abeda Inamdar College. Assembly hall is there. Correct? I went to my sister's, what do we say? Open day. There was a function of open day. They've called all the parents. So my parents used to send me to collect the report of my sister. I went there and I was sitting over there, and I was just a kid at the time. I was about 18 years old, and I sat there for a long time. They have given the great speech, and at the end they asked, is there any parent who wants to say something? And I was the person who was just cracked IELTS exam first at the time, and I was in the air. I was in the clouds. I just rose my hands. मैंने अपना हाथ उठा दिया वहां पर. They called me, come. Everyone, the whole assembly hall was full of crowds, full of audience. There were students, there were parents. सभी लोग थे. ऊपर students थे, नीचे parents बैठे थे. सोचो वहां पे नया था मैं, क्या सोचना चाहिए था मैंने? I went on the stage. I took the name of the God. अल्लाह का नाम लिया and started talking. Whatever the thoughts were there in my mind, I share with them. मैंने share किया. And at the end, I don't know how many people understood this, but the panel of the teachers who were sitting behind me, they were clapping. And that clapping motivated me a lot to speak more and to go on any stage. Then I've been to many stages. SNDD College, I taught teachers over there. The teachers who were the age of my mother. मेरी माँ की age के teachers को मैंने वहाँ पर पढ़ाया हूँ. So this is what exactly I want to tell you. So stage daring is nothing but you have to dare. If you want to become successful, you have to dare. आपको करना पड़ेगा.